This is bill about people taking responsibility for being a civic person living in this society that we live in. And you can talk about what you like over there, but I'll tell you this, and I'll finish on this, and I'm sorry for straying a little piece. I go to the shopping centre at the weekend like most normal people. I try my best with my budget to fill it out and get what I need. And I put extra things in my trolley for my children who are all in negative equity, like many other parents out there. And I see people stacking up their trolleys with drink and wine. And I can guarantee you some of them shouldn't be stacking up their trolleys with drink and wine. And here's another added bonus to it. We're talking about a family of two with 2 children with water charges for 260 capped, with a reduction of €100. €100 for conservation, which makes it out €3.07 a week. €3.07 a week to have clean water, to take your showers, to wash your vegetables, to wash your babies, to fill up your babies' bottles. Now tell me that's not value for money. When I see people going into the supermarkets at weekends and stacking their trolleys with beers and everything else and water, there's no need for it. Here we have a precious gift in this country. And I met a man 2 weeks ago who was on holidays here. And he said to me one of the greatest pleasures he had on holidays was being able to switch on the tap in his sister's house and put his glass under it and get a drink of water. And that's the reality that we live in. And you can talk about people who are old age pensioners and they're having to pay €160. My sister is one of them. She's a basic pension, an old age pension. She's nothing else. She pays her water charges, she pays her waste charges, she pays her property tax. And at the end of the day, she said to me, well, if all it's going to cost me is €60 for the year, that is $115 a week. And I see people queuing up in shops and buying 60 to 80 smokes at €10 something a package. So let's talk about fairness and balance. And Minister, I want to commend you on the bill because I really think it's a very important step.